LMK Alternative for Snapchat. Now this is what I'm going to be discussing in this video, so let's just get straight into it. So as you all know, LMK doesn't work on Snapchat to send snaps and videos from your camera roll to Snapchat. So there is an alternative app, and to get it, go to the Play Store on your phone. Then in the search bar, you want to search for OVF Editor. So I'll just type it, OVF Editor, press on search, and you want to make sure that you have this app installed. I have previously installed it, so I'm going to open it up, and then you just want to tap on photo/video at the bottom.
Alibaba.com, B2B trade app.
And I'll just close out the ad. Now you can select if you want to send an image from your camera roll or a video. I'll just select an image for this example. I'll select this image right over here. And then you can even add effects and things like that at the bottom, but just tap on the tick mark at the top right. And it says, would you like to share the video with the Snapchat app? So you have to make sure you're logged into your Snapchat app, then tap on share. It's going to load up Snapchat, and then you can see the snap from your camera roll is on Snapchat. You can edit it however you want. Press on send to, select the person you want to send it to, and then just press on send. And you can see it has been delivered. So that is the LMK alternative for Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.